Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Douglas County, southeastern Christian County, northern Taney County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Hylettville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Taney-Como, Forsyth, Marion Woods, Hylettville, Rockaway Beach, Bull Creek, Taneyville, Brown Ranch, Chestnut Ridge, Christian Center, Rome, Garrison, Chadwick, Bradleyville, Goodhope, Walnut Shade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Douglas, and